I know everyone focuses on the person pulling the trigger, but there's a reason that person's doing that. And I want the world to understand that you have no clue what someone's going through. You could look like the strongest person in the world, but they could be broken. And that one thing you say to them either pushes them off the edge or it changes their whole life into a positive way. And I never want anyone to have to feel the way I felt, ever. And if me being brutally honest and sharing with others the way words affect you, maybe it'll make someone think twice about saying that 2-second thing that makes them feel better. But you gotta remember, I used to always say, I hope you feel better from the 2 seconds it took you to tear me down, because those words are gonna be something that I have to fight a lifetime to forget.